If you're a grilling enthusiast searching for the ultimate charcoal grill, look no further than this Weber Original Kettle 22-inch charcoal grill. This masterpiece, a modern iteration of the classic kettle grill invented by Weber's founder, continues to be a beloved choice for grillers worldwide. It's not just a grill, it's a tradition. Why the Weber Original Kettle stands out. The Weber Original Kettle 22-inch charcoal grill is a blend of tradition and innovation. It carries the legacy of the original kettle grill while incorporating modern features that make grilling easier and more enjoyable. Here are a few reasons why this grill should be your next purchase. 1. Durability and longevity. The porcelain-enameled lid and bowl ensure your grill withstands the elements and frequent use without rusting or peeling. 2. Versatility. From high heat searing to low and slow smoking, the adjustable dampers provide the flexibility to cook a wide range of dishes perfectly. 3. Ease of use. The one-touch cleaning system and the lid hook make grilling and cleanup incredibly convenient. 4. Capacity. With the ability to grill up to 13 burgers at once, this grill is perfect for gatherings of all sizes. 5. Support and guidance. The built app's interactive instructions make assembly hassle-free, even for beginners. The Weber Original Kettle is more than just a grill. It's a piece of grilling history that has stood the test of time. With its iconic design, the original kettle has been a staple in backyards and cookouts for decades. What makes it so special? Let's dive into the features that make this grill a must-have. One of the standout features of the Weber Original Kettle is its ultra-durable, porcelain-enameled lid and bowl. This design ensures excellent heat retention, making it easier to achieve that perfect search on your steaks or a consistent slow cook for ribs. The enamel coating also prevents rust and peeling, ensuring that your grill looks as good as it performs year after year. Grilling is an art, and temperature control is crucial. The Weber Original Kettle is equipped with dampers that allow you to adjust the flow and maintain precise temperature control. Whether you're searing steaks at high heat or smoking a brisket low and slow, these dampers make it easy to get the results you want. No one enjoys cleaning up after a long day of grilling, and Weber understands that. The original kettle features a one-touch cleaning system that simplifies the ash removal process. With just a single sweep, all the ash is collected in a removable aluminum ash catcher, making cleanup a breeze and giving you more time to enjoy your meal and less time worrying about the mess. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Planning a cookout. The Weber Original Kettle has you covered. Its spacious cooking area can hold up to 13 burgers made with a Weber burger press. Whether you're grilling for a small family gathering or a large party, this grill can handle it all. One common annoyance while grilling is figuring out where to place the lid when you need to check on your food. The Weber Original Kettle comes with a convenient lid hook, allowing you to hang the lid on the side of the grill. No more placing the lid on the ground and risking contamination or damage. Weber makes assembly straightforward and fun with the free built app. The app provides 3D interactive assembly instructions, ensuring that even first-time grillers can set up their grill with ease. No need to struggle with complicated manuals. The built app guides you step by step. Final thoughts. The Weber Original Kettle 22-inch charcoal grill is a timeless classic that continues to impress with its performance, durability, and ease of use. Whether you're a seasoned griller or just starting, this grill offers everything you need to create delicious meals and unforgettable memories. Don't miss out on the chance to own a piece of grilling history. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make the Weber Original Kettle 22-inch charcoal grill a part of your outdoor cooking experience today. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.